Okay, so I have Cherry Studios on my Zorin, which came up in the App Store, which is right there, and you can install it from the Flatpak. Comes up beautifully, it's in dark mode. Now, my main problem was, got a little assistant, it didn't have anything that I could talk to it with. So I had to go to Ollama, and to get Ollama I went to here and I went to Ollama, looked up all the different stuff here and downloaded the code to do it. I think that you can get Ollama on Zorin pretty much. If I go in here and I go up here and I just have a quick look for Ollama. Yep, there it is right there, I believe, right here. So you can install it from there. I think I installed it manually, so I haven't installed it the right way, but you could do it that way, which would be a lot easier. And then you go down to your, it's just sent me here, I've just installed a copy of, sorry about the camera work, I really need to get the snap going. So what I did was I checked the version, so I was up to the latest version of Ollama. I came down here and wrote help to see what flags there was. I thought I should create from there, but I actually needed to run a model, so I ran Mistral. So that's the first one. So here there should be a list of what models you can run. I've just got to find it now. Bear with me, I will go looking for it. Okay, so I haven't found the models at the moment, but these guys have done a great job of providing this software. So go and give them a bit of love, maybe follow them. They've done a great lot of work there. And in addition, because I'm an old Amiga user, we used to have Ollama, Jeff Minter's Llama games, and I think they've really done a great job. So Ollama public, I'd say that's where we need to go. Okay, we're in the public area here. This should have the different types. So you've got Windows, Mac, you can run it on Mac, you can run it on Linux, which I'm running it on Linux. The quick start. So you got the different models. So the most power you've got, depending on if you've got enough power. So I could probably run this model here. I don't think I could run this model here. And there's a heap of different ones. So I might try another one. I might try Gemma. I tried Gemma 3 at 17. I think I can run that. Not sure if I can, but we'll soon find out. There is a support library model list, which is up here, and that's really handy. So it's a support library list, and I'll try and list that up the top. So here it is here, ollama.com library. So I'm going to try Gemma. I'm going to try a big model, probably about 12B or whatever it tries to get me. So we'll do that. So we'll come down here, and I'll come down here, and I'll just go exit. Hopefully that works. I haven't tried that yet. Yeah, I'm out. Oh, am I? Am I out or goodbye? Yeah, I'm out. So there you go. Okay. Maybe I'm not out. Try Control C, maybe that'll get me out. Use Control D to delete or slash goodbye. I'll go slash bye. That's it. There you go. I got us out of there. All right. Now we go up like that, and we go Gemma 3. Run Gemma 3. I don't know if you can just, hold on, let's have a quick look. If I click on that, column, so you need to put column 23B. We'll see if that works. I'll go column 12B because that's going to take a huge amount of stuff and it's going to take a while to do. So let's try 3 gig latest 4B. We'll try 4B because I think that's all I can do on this thing, otherwise it'll be very slow. So I'll go hash 4B and we'll see if that works. Yep, it worked. So it's now downloading it. It's quite a large file. It's going to take a little while to do, and we'll come back when it's finished. So we're back. Didn't take that long to download on my system. It's verifying. It's also got a SHA-256, which, yeah, well, okay, tell me a story. We'll see how fast it really is at full speed. It's a bit slow, but not too bad. So that's working there. And yeah, I don't know how long this is going to go, but that's about the speed I'm getting on Gemma 3 4B. So you go up to 12B, but I'm not 100% sure whether that's going to improve it or not. And I think Control C should stop it, and /B by will finish it, and we're out. Let's go 12B. Thinking about it, just trying to grab that. It's quite a large file, it's going to take a little while to do. We'll come back when it's ready. Okay, so far it's taken me around about a minute to go halfway, so still going pretty quick. Okay, Gemma 3 is a Google product. Okay, Google. So if you don't want to use that, try one of the other models. They're all owned by someone. Once it's done, I think that if I run the story thing, it's going to run real slow. Yeah, got some chatbot stuff. Do have a decent graphics card in here, or two. Not sure if it's using it, but it's got a lot of information there. So that is fully downloaded now. It took less than 2 minutes. Now it's kind of setting it up, verifying that. I don't know what they're using SHA. I'd use something a bit better than that, but anyway, that's what they're doing. Here we go. Alright. Wonder if I can remember. Oh, it does. How good's that? Up key gets you what you used to have. So let's tell us a story. And it's a lot slower. But the model's bigger. And the cartographer of lost things. Sounds great, doesn't it? Anyway, you can see that's the speed it's doing. So it's not too bad a speed, but I wouldn't go any higher than that. And Control C and up key through the goodbye. Right, now we're going to go back over here, and this is kind of whipping a dog now. Don't know what this one is. If anyone knows, give me a yell. Leave me a message if anyone uses some of these. Alright, so let's go down to here. We'll go for a... we'll see. We'll do DeepSeek. because I've got nothing against the Chinese. In fact, I don't have anything about it against anyone. DeepSeek modeling. So here's your running. So which model we're going to run? We're going to try and run something that I can affordably put on my hard drive, which won't take up a lot of room. I think this one's probably the best one I can do, 20 gig. So you can click on it and it's going to give you the information up the top here. You can just highlight that. This is another way of doing it, guys. Copy it, go down to your terminal in Linux and then pop it in there. And then just go boom, and it'll start downloading DeepSeek. That was a massive language model. It took probably 3 or 4 minutes to download. 19 gig, it's quite large. Back in the day, that would be a heap of hard drives. Now it's just like, oh well, I've got a couple of terabytes there, so it shouldn't be too bad, but we'll see how it goes. It's taking longer to do the verification, and we'll get back to it and ask it to tell us a story, and we'll see how fast it goes. It is very slow compared to others, so probably not usable. Very, 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 very slow, and get out of it. Now, let's have a look down the road. I don't really, I think that I would have used a 14 model. It's not something I would use normally. What else is it? Ollama 4, that's Meta. I don't really want to use Meta. What's this one? Let's have a quick look. So I could probably run this one here. Just trying to work out flagship. Trying to work out who owns it. Well, who did own it? Oh, this looks like fun. So let's go to this one. Let's take it up there and we'll install this one, and that'll be the last one I install. I'm not going to hold you up, but that's what I'm doing. I'm doing that there, and then I will have to do a second video if I can get this all working up and running. We've got that one. Will it do it? I do not know. Tell me a story. We'll see if it works now. Oh yes, that's really nice in the program. Okay, we'll go. We can pop out of there. So that's Gemma. So I don't know. That's running off theirs, I'd say. So not really what I want. That's not what I want. So what can we do? I'm going to have to learn this a little bit more, but I'll get back to you in the next day or two about how to do that bit.